Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. A big thank you for everyone, because about 2 weeks ago we hit 30,000 subscribers, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you. And if you are watching always but haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And to thank you, we are going to do a 30,000 subscriber giveaway, and this is sponsored by Artisan Cutlery, so shout out to them for sponsoring this. Now, what are they sponsoring? They are sponsoring a knife. That's right, the Artisan Cutlery Setter. Its blade steel is AR RPM 9 and the handles are titanium. This retails for about $120 or about $90 when there's a discount. In any case, this is an awesome folding knife featuring a drop point blade, 3.35-inch blade length, and a closed length of 4.41 inches. Handle material is titanium, so that's good stuff. Ceramic ball bearings, and it is a frame lock. That's right, so this knife can be yours. All you have to do is take part in the giveaway. It's very simple. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then leave a comment. But the comment should be about something of why you like Urban Knife Guy, what do you like in particular about the channel. This will help me create better content for you. So what we're going to do is, in about 5 days time, so that will be, let's call it the end of this week, Sunday. At the end of this week, we will close all entries, and then I will pick not one, but 2 lucky winners who leave a genuine comment on why they like Urban Knife Guy, and those 2 people will be the winners of this knife. I just have to mention, you need to be in a country where the knives can be sent to you. So this is a 3.35-inch locking blade. So if you're in a country that cannot receive such a knife, such as the UK, I'm sorry, you can't take part in this draw. And if you do and the knife can't be shipped to you, then there's nothing I can do as well. But that's it. That's the 30,000 subscriber giveaway, a free knife sponsored by Artisan Cutlery. We'll choose 2 winners. All the best to you, and we'll post the results next week.